god, they're having a party in there.
They're watching a movie, it sounds like.
Watch this.
Right in your face. Wow. Lots of snow.
Lots and lots of snow.
God, my car looks just as bad as all the others. Cold.
We should go to Deborah's window and just start harassing her. Look at this. This is pretty cool. The water leaked.
Oh, water leaked through and everything.
Yeah. Destroy.
Destruction. Wonder how long this is gonna keep up.
Ow! Oh no, look! The leaves cracked.
Yeah, they'll crack off and everything.
Oh, look at that.